Understanding bird courtship behavior can help birders recognize how birds act in their backyard, and with practice, it's possible to identify birds based on their mating behavior. The ultimate purpose of courtship is to attract a receptive mate, but there are actually several other purposes behind the courtship behavior of different bird species. The intricate moves of a courtship dance and the recognizable bird sounds and songs used to attract mates can help distinguish species so birds are sure to choose compatible mates. Different courtship behaviors also serve to reduce territorial aggression between birds, letting them relax together to form a pair bond. Depending on the type of behavior, how the birds react in courtship can also display strength, health, and mating desirability, allowing different birds to choose the best partners and ensure viable offspring. There are several different types of courtship rituals that bird species can use for finding a mate. Most species will use several methods, but they can vary greatly between different birds. Singing is one of the most common ways birds can attract a mate. The intricacy of the song, or the variety of different songs one bird can produce, help to advertise its maturity and intelligence, desirable characteristics for a healthy mate. Singing can also advertise the boundaries of one bird's territory, warning off competition. For some species, only one gender, most usually the males, will sing, while other species may create a duet as part of the bonding ritual. Flamboyant plumage colors and elaborate displays of prominent feathers, skin sacs, or body shape can show off how strong and healthy a bird is, advertising as suitably as a mate. Peafowl are one of the best-known bird species for their stunning display with the male's extensive fan, though other birds may use subtle changes in posture to show off their plumage to the best effect. Physical movements from daring dives to intricate sequences including wing flaps, head dips, or different steps can be part of a courtship ritual. In many species, the male alone will dance for his female while she observes his actions, while in other species both partners will interact with one another. Dance mistakes show inexperience or hesitancy and would not likely lead to a successful mating. Close contact between male and female birds can be part of the courtship rituals to help diffuse their normal spatial boundaries and aggression. This method is called preening. The birds may lightly preen one another, sit with their bodies touching, or otherwise lean on one another to show that they are not intending to harm their partner. Another method is feeding. Offering food is another common part of the bird courtship behavior for many species. Typically, a male bird may bring a morsel to the female, demonstrating that he's able to not only find food, but that he can share and is able to provide for her while she incubates eggs or tends the brood. For some species, the male may just bring food and transfer it to the female for her to feed, while in other species, he'll place a seed or insect directly in her mouth, just as he might be expected to do when helping feed hungry nestlings. Lastly, the building method. Some birds seek to attract a mate by showing off their architectural skills. Constructing nests before the female arrives is a way for males to claim territory and show the suitable nesting areas they can defend. They may also decorate the nest with pebbles, moss, flowers, or even litter to make it more eye-catching. The female may then choose the nest she prefers, or she may build her own after mating with her chosen male. In closing, there are many ways that birds seek to attract a mate, and understanding bird courtship behavior can help birders appreciate the complexity of the bird relationships forming in their own backyard.